Example 7. Mr. Arthur gives his two chemistry groups the same test. He wants to find whether there is any difference between the achievement levels of the groups. Okay, so the results are in the table. Write down the null and alternative hypotheses. Right, so read the question again. He wants to find out whether there is any difference between the achievement groups. So we're going to use the t-test. There's a small sample size. We're going to use the t-test. And we can state that H0 is that the first set average is equal to the second set average. There is no difference between the grades in group 1 and the grades in group 2. Our null hypothesis is that there is a difference. Okay, so x1 is not equal to x2. Okay, so it's saying he has two groups. He was checking if there is a difference. Okay, this is going to be a two-tailed test. It's a two-tailed test because we want to know if group 1 is better or worse than group 2. Okay, so there'll be a difference in the values. Right, reach for your GDC because we're going to have to type some stuff in. You'll have to check out the other video below to see what I'm doing. Okay, so when I've gone through the calculator, my t value, so my value that I get for t is negative 0.235, and the p-value of getting this value is 0.816. We're testing this at the 5% significance level. Okay, so you should always state what test you're doing first. So we're going to write down the conclusion. So now we look at our p-value. P-value is 0.816, and this is greater than our significance value of 0.05. So we accept our null hypothesis. Okay, that the two values are the same. There is no significant difference between the two groups. Check out the other video for how you're going to type this into your GDC.